Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to configure the lin_trfo function block on master tool for the Nexto Express series. Guys, the next block that we are going to explore now from the useful library is the block called lin_trfo, which is inside the useful library in the math functions folder. So let's pull it into our logic with a box, and call it lin_trfo. This block will do a linear conversion of our input. Of course, it will be a lin_trfo type variable. So, in the first parameter n, we put an input with a known value. It can be the analog input, for example, which will vary from 0 to 30,000 in the PLC Express. So, let's put the first analog input so we can do this simulation, and define the input values here that this A0 variable can take. So we know that the minimum value of this entry is 0 and the maximum value is 30,000. And in these next parameters, minimum out and maximum out, we will define an engineering scale here. So we want to convert this value from 0 to 30,000 to a value from 0 to 100, for example. So there will be these values here in the output. We can go to online, log in, and then yes. We are using an analog input because we are in simulation mode. So we can use the input and output simulator feature to vary the analog input value here and be able to visualize the output behavior in real time. And we have this potentiometer that will vary the input value. Here in the increase I it is at 0, so if we change the value to more or less 30,000, it converts this value to 0 to 100 and returns the output value here. So we could enter here with the value of my analog input from 0 to 30,000, and leave here with the engineering value that it is measuring in the field. It could be a level sensor that is measuring the level of a tank, for example, of 100 liters, and here it will be showing the value in liters of that tank. So, this was our 64th lesson for Nexto Express series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.